Silverfish are common pests that will invade homes and often target paper products, but they can also infest stored food products or trigger someone's allergies. Since these pests reproduce rapidly, one stray silverfish can quickly become an infestation of hundreds, and soon after, thousands. So in this video, we'll show you how to identify and get rid of silverfish in your home to keep you and your books away from these pests. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about silverfish control, click the icon in the top right of the screen, or click the link in the description below. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Silverfish are small pests that typically grow to be about half an inch in body length. These insects have thin, oblong-shaped bodies with 2 long antennae and 3 long tail appendages. Silverfish look extremely similar to another pest called the firebat. It's important to be able to tell the two apart since they differ in habitat and available treatment methods. Silverfish are typically a solid, metallic, silver-gray color, while firebats are brownish-gray with a mottled pattern. Some silverfish species have more cylindrically shaped bodies, while firebrats have flatter, stouter bodies. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what your pests look like, check around your property to confirm their presence or find hotspots of activity. Inside of homes, silverfish can be found infesting areas that are often dark, humid, and out of reach. Any room inside a home can have silverfish, but pay particular attention to bathrooms, kitchens, and basements. If you're finding similar looking insects in hot areas like underneath appliances or in the boiler room, then you're likely dealing with firebrats instead. The actual established harborages can be difficult to find since silverfish seem to travel in and out of cracks and crevices only up to a few at a time. You should also examine the pest's food sources like stored pantry foods and paper products for signs of silverfish activity. Be on the lookout for holes in packaging, damaged paper, molted skins, scales, and droppings. After identifying your pest and inspecting for activity on your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry. Start your treatment with an application of Supreme IT. Supreme IT is a 7.9% bifenthrin insecticide concentrate that will treat over 70 labeled pests on contact. Once it dries, Supreme IT will leave a residual that will continue to control pests for up to 90 days. You'll need to mix this product with water before application, so we recommend you apply your solution with a handheld pump sprayer to make mixing and spraying quick and easy. You'll mix a solution of Supreme IT at a rate of 0.33 to 1 whole fluid ounce of product per 1 gallon of water. When your solution is ready, conduct a barrier application around the perimeter of your structure. First, spray any entry points like doors, windows, and other voids that silverfish can use to invade. Then, spray your structure's outer perimeter by spraying 3 feet up the structure and 3 feet out. Do not let any people or pets around the treated areas and allow the product to dry completely. Silverfish and other labeled pests that come in contact with the product or its residual will have their nervous systems impacted and will die in several hours. Next, move indoors to apply Ficam. Ficam is an insecticide bait granule made with 5% orthoboric acid. This product is moisture resistant, making it perfect to apply in silverfish harborages. Apply Ficam into cracks, crevices, and areas inaccessible to children and pets where you may have seen silverfish activity. Use a duster to apply the product deep into spaces you can't physically see. Treatment areas include underneath baseboards, behind and under appliances, and where plumbing penetrates the wall. You can also apply the product in basements, attics, and crawl spaces. When indoors, apply Ficam at a rate of 4 pounds per 1,000 square feet. Pests that ingest Ficam will die within several hours. In more open areas, you can use Dekko Silverfish Paks. Dekko Silverfish Paks are paper wafers designed to entice silverfish with a palatable food source containing 20% boric acid, the same active ingredient as Ficam. To use, just place 2 to 3 packs to cover 100 square feet in each location where you've seen silverfish activity. Common spots include underneath sinks, on shelves, inside drawers, in attics, on bookshelves, or in pantries. Silverfish that consume these typically die within 2 minutes. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after you've applied pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to make sure it can't happen. Start by sealing and closing off any possible entry points silverfish and other pests can use to invade your structure. Seal both the interior and exterior of your home. Small cracks and crevices may be sealed with caulk, while larger voids or spaces that must remain unsealed like weepholes may need to be stuffed with copper mesh. Next, cut off a major food source for silverfish by transferring open or loose foods like flour, cereal, or rice into airtight containers. With less access to food, silverfish are more likely to stay outdoors where they belong. Since silverfish need a humid environment to survive, you can lower the humidity of your home by utilizing air conditioning, fans, and dehumidifiers. You can also locate and repair leaky pipes that may be in your home to reduce any available water. Finally, be sure to keep up with regularly timed reapplications of your chemical products. Supreme IT should be reapplied quarterly. When placed indoors, Ficam can last up to 2 years undisturbed, and Dekko needs to be replaced every 3 to 4 months until the infestation is taken care of. Silverfish can appear suddenly to ruin any pantry or books, but there are ways to manage and control an infestation that's gone out of hand. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop silverfish from infesting your home, and we offer free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.